Hi friends, again welcoming you in my channel, and one of my follower who put me a message to make a video on the common sentences of English, and I decided that I am going to make today's video on common sentences of English. So I'll not take more than 10 sentences. Why I'm saying the 10 sentences? Just because these 10 sentences are the 80% of spoken English. So when you listen somebody, you will find that somebody is using at least 80% of his and her sentences from these 10 sentences. And I'll also make you to learn how you can make these 10 sentences easily. So let's move to our main concern, how we can make 10 sentences and which are these 10 sentences. So these 10 sentences are in three groups. One group has 4 sentences, second group has again 4 sentences, and the third group has 2 sentences. So 4 sentences from present tense, 4 from past tense, and 2 from future sentences. And how we can make these sentences? You have to just take one action word. How do I know a word is an action word? So I'm giving a clue. If you want to identify the word is action word or not, so you have to just add ing after the word, and if you think that you can add it, means this is the action word. Like if I say do is action word, so can I add ing? Yes. Like doing, this is action word. So eat, eat is action word. Can I put ing? Eating? Yes. So this is action word. So if you have to identify any word is action word or not, you just have to put ing, and if sense is coming, the word is accurate, it means that this is the action word. So English has so many words, at least 40,000 words are the action words, lump sum. So let's move to making 10 important sentences of English. So pick one action word, and I am picking here the complete word. And every action word has 5 forms. Like complete has 5 forms. So which 5 are the complete forms of complete? One is complete, completed, completed, completing, and completes. Any word which is action word has 5 forms. Like picking a second word, do, did, done, doing, does. So it is 100% sure if it is action word would have 5 forms. So my sentence would be based on the complete word because I have selected this word, and I would like you to do also the practice on a complete. So the 5 forms again I am repeating of complete is complete, completed, completed, completing, and completes. And how can I make 10 sentences? So let's try the first group, which is a present tense. So take a word. Word means a subject. So in English, mostly the subjects are used are either it's I or you. So I am taking I and making sentences. So first sentence is I complete. The second sentence is I am completing. The third one is I have completed. And the fourth one is I have been completing. Repeating the sentence again just to make you easy. The first sentence, I complete, I am completing, I have completed, I have been completed. So these are the 4 common sentences from present. Let's move to the past and we'll make sentence again from I and complete. The first sentence of past is I completed. Second one is I was completing. Third one is I had completed. And the fourth one is I had been completing. So let's move to the future and take the 2 sentences from future. And again, I'm taking the word I and complete. The first sentence from the future is I will complete, and the second sentence is I will be completing. So these are the 10 sentences which commonly used in English, and once you watch anyone's spoken English, you will be finding that the person is using his and her 80% sentences from these sentences. So let's try to make these 8 sentences in one single go. I complete, I am completing, I have completed, I have been completing. I completed, I was completing, I had completed, I had been completing. I will complete, I will be completing. You can do a practice by picking any other action word, and you can make 10 sentences. Like if you are taking a word start, how you can make 10 sentences. So I start, I am starting, I have started, I have been starting, I started, I was starting, I had started, I had been starting. Again future, I will start, I will be starting. So these are the 10 sentences. And how to make a practice, you can take a new word from the action word and can make 10 sentences. And you can put message in the chat box with your 10 sentences. And if any correction is required, definitely I would help. So let's make these 10 sentences in the chat box or any comment and do a practice. So I hope so my video is helpful, and if you really like my video, please put a like from your end so that it will encourage me to make so many videos and help you to make your English fluent. Thank you very much. Once again, thank you for watching my channel.